In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Shopify versus PrestaShop and help you decide which platform might be better for you. Let's start by understanding what each of these platforms is. Shopify is a hosted SaaS e-commerce platform. This means you sign up, pay a monthly fee, and everything from hosting to updates and infrastructure is taken care of for you. PrestaShop, on the other hand, is an open source e-commerce system. You download and install it, or get a host, customize it freely, and manage hosting and updates yourself unless you choose to bring in a developer. Now let's dive into how Shopify and PrestaShop stack up against each other on some key dimensions. Starting with ease of use, Shopify is known to be very beginner-friendly, making it an excellent choice if you're just starting out and want minimal hassle. PrestaShop offers more flexibility, but it comes with a steeper learning curve, especially if you don't have a technical background. When it comes to customization and flexibility, PrestaShop is the champion if you seek full control over every aspect of your site. You can alter everything if you have the necessary development skills. Shopify, while offering decent customization options, does impose certain constraints unless you choose higher tiers or supplement with numerous apps. Concerning cost and hosting, Shopify provides predictable monthly pricing with hosting included, which can be a real advantage. PrestaShop might seem appealing with the free software, but remember, there are additional costs for hosting, themes, modules, and potentially developer time, so costs can vary considerably. In terms of scalability and infrastructure, Shopify really shines by managing hosting, server load, and scaling for you, making it easier to expand as you grow. PrestaShop gives you that control, but with it comes the responsibility of choosing a host and optimizing performance yourself. Support and ecosystem are also crucial. Shopify boasts a large app store, numerous integrations, and robust support, particularly if you have minimal technical demands. PrestaShop, with its large community, especially among open source developers, might require you to rely on your own developers or hosting support. Lastly, built-in features versus modules are worth considering. PrestaShop generally offers more out-of-the-box features for complex e-commerce scenarios like multi-store or multi-language setups, but it may still necessitate modules. Shopify, by contrast, keeps its base functionality simpler, allowing you to add features as needed through apps. So, how do you choose between Shopify and PrestaShop? Choose Shopify if you want to get started quickly with minimal setup, prefer everything managed for you, don't want to delve into server infrastructure, or are willing to pay monthly potentially for apps as you grow. Choose PrestaShop if you're comfortable with or have access to technical or development expertise, want full control over your site, including its theme, checkout, and hosting, are okay managing the intricacies yourself or through your team, or if you require specialized workflows or international store setups where flexibility is essential. I hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision on which platform is best suited for your needs.